The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Saturday podcast session with the play student of Intelogik. And before we proceed with today's speaker, let us check with him about the mic. So Vignesh, can you just check if you are able to use the mic?
Hi sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, and thank you for joining the session. So let's begin with the session. So first of all, some information about him. He is coming from the mechanical background, and it is something a kind of a non-IT background. And apart from that, also he he got not only one job, but he got three offers actually, with a very good package of 12 lakhs per annum, and got placed in one prestigious company, TCS. So let's proceed ahead with the discussion of with Vignesh, and also let me tell a few important things about this format. So first of all, we will have the introduction about the background, like some information about Vignesh, something in his own words, where he can actually tell about his background, and also what kind of what is the reason behind coming towards Salesforce, why he thought about Salesforce, some other miscellaneous information, and then we'll start the questions and queries from your side.
Hi sir. First of all, thank you, Shekhar sir, for the training and support. And
I think we are losing your audio. Just 1 minute. Guys, wait for just 1 minute. I think we lost his audio. Just 1 minute. Okay, Vignesh, please check now if you are able to speak.
sir, am I
Yeah,
audible now?
great. Yeah, it's audible. Okay, so some information from your background and why, from a mechanical background, you thought to come towards Salesforce particularly. So please proceed.
Yeah. Actually, I'm from mechanical background, where I worked in some industry where that in like machine operator and everything. So during the in that COVID, I lost the job. So
Okay.
I was searching for some job where that scope is high, and one of the ex-student from Intelogik, my friend, I don't want to mention his name. So he suggested me. Okay, I can mention. I think. So his name is Veerabahu. So
Okay.
he suggested me this Intelogik course,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Salesforce from Intelogik, and I spoke to Vinayak, I think, from Salesforce.
Okay. Okay.
So I spoke to him, and I joined the sessions here. So whenever I joined in the very first day, in the demo session itself, I came to know that in Intelogik they're starting from the scratch. So I can able to understand whatever Shaker sir taught in the session. So and I paid the fees and I joined the sessions. And basically I'm from mechanical background, so I don't have that much this coding knowledge. So I started with this admin. Okay, we all will start with the admin only. So it is somewhat easier for me to understand. Uh, then after that, I joined that developer session as well, where I learned this Apex class triggers.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, yeah. After that, I asked for this profile update, and I think Sega sir asked someone to help me. I think Siddhant helped me in that, and I updated the profile, and I started giving interviews. When I started giving interviews, we will get some. Some of the questions we will get to know the frequently asked questions and some new questions. So instead of searching videos itself, I got some knowledge from that bonus sessions and everything. And I started preparing the interview questions so that after some 2-3 interviews, I came to know what are the questions they will ask in admin and what are the questions they will ask in development. So that I can answer nearly some 80% of questions in the interview.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
got it. Okay, so one of the key reason is like because of COVID you lost the job and you thought to come to the IT. Okay, fine, got it. Thank you. So now after your introduction, we are going to start with the second step, second phase, where actually we will give the chance for those people who are looking for job or right now in the phase of getting ready for the job, where actually they can take some kind of guidance from you, some tips from you, because you're also almost from same background or almost same scenario, just recently done Salesforce learning. So everyone, you can start your questions if you want to take any guidance from today's speaker. So in this case, Vignesh, I will read the question. You can just answer the question, and if you can answer in short, then we can cover maximum possible questions because of the limitations of time that we have. So here comes the first question, and there's a question that have you done any certification?
Actually, not yet done the certifications. I started preparing for it.
Okay,
So
yeah, okay. Next is when you completed your education, in which year?
I completed my BTech in 2017.
Okay, what is your current job role?
Here I am as an technical support engineer.
Okay, next is how many rounds of interviews?
I had actually 2 rounds of interview. One is the technical round, and another one is the manager.
Okay, any preparation strategy, any tips you would like to share in terms of interviews?
Yeah, as I said, we have to complete bust all the sessions like that admin plus developer, because if you attend interview in admin, it's not like they will ask the questions from admin alone. They will go for the developer as well. So complete the whole sessions first, and while we attend few, as I said, few interviews, we will come to know what are the questions they will ask frequently, so that we can prepare for that.
Okay, there is a question from one candidate about like Sagar. Total, how much duration you took to complete the learning? Means revision, practice, assignment, like everything. How much time you have taken?
Actually, I'm a slow learner and I from a mechanical background, so I took nearly 4 months time to
Okay,
learn and do hands-on and revise the things. Yeah.
okay, got it. Okay, there is a question about resume or projects or details to mention in the resume or experience career gap documentations. All those people, please contact Intelogik. We will help you because Vignesh is not the right person for that. In terms of his guidance, in terms of you can take in terms of how what kind of difficulties he faces or how many rounds are there, how many certifications or negotiation in the package, etc. Whatever he did, but anything about your resume making or anything about your profile maker or anything related to other stuffs, you can contact us. And next is how many like how much extra time apart from daily work you have given in the preparation. That is one more question.
Oh, that's not a big deal. I will attend the session, daily sessions, and Shekhar sir will do some hands-on for explaining in that session itself. So it will take nearly some half an hour time to complete that task. So I will complete that in daily basis. And after completing all the sessions, I've just focused on that, bonus sessions and everything, so that we will get the time. Yeah.
Okay. Next is there are two three people who are saying that they are also coming from mechanical background. So in this case, how difficult it is for a mechanical person to enter into the IT market.
Yeah, actually, for landing Salesforce, I think you all could have been attending that demo sessions. You will come to know when Shekhar sir teach something. We won't get that much doubt. He will explain that clear. So about that again, for that career gap and this mechanical background things, definitely if you are struggling, send a mail to Shekhar sir. Shekhar sir will help you out. Actually, they have helped me in that way. I also struggled in the beginning. I asked Shekhar sir, they are, how can I manage these things? They will, Shekhar sir will ask the right person to contact you. They will call you and they will help you out in all these things. Yeah.
Okay. Next is how did you show any coding skill during the interview? Means how you shown that you know coding or your knowledge in coding in the interview.
Actually, while attending the developer round of interviews, I openly say that I'm from admin background, so I did a course outside in developer, and I know the concepts, and I have done some hands-on, so that I don't have much experience in that programming. I can explain the syntax or whatever they ask. Till that knowledge I have. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Next is how many interviews you have given or you have given successfully or with failure before getting this TCS job.
It's nearly like I gave some 15-20 interviews. That's huge, I think.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Next is what is your day-to-day work and job role in the current company?
Yeah, my role is like support. It's a support role. So my role will be actually not at in the work. I'm in the training phase now. So as of now, my understanding the responsibilities will be creating objects and relationship, and whenever that users employees will struggle in some kind of things, we help them. Yeah, like that, and creating customer cases as well as in supporting. Yeah, like that.
Okay. And next is you join this company. You said you are in a support, so you are working as a fresher or as an experienced person.
Now I working as a fresher. My role is as associate.
Okay, you
Yes.
work as a fresher. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Next is how is the career scope of Salesforce support? And also let me add one more question. Salesforce admin, if not programming, we are doing in the career. So can you tell me something? Can you tell us something about that? They are asking about the scope of support and admin people.
Yeah, actually, the scope is there, but it will take time. I told right, I have given some 10 to 15 and 15 to 20 interviews. People are mostly expecting that employee who has some knowledge in developer as well. So please concentrate on developer soon. Don't go for an interview or job soon after completing your admin. Get some knowledge from the developer as well. Yeah, that's very much important.
Right. Okay. Next is how you made yourself confident in the communication for TCS like interview when you are coming from non. What is that? Okay, so in another word, the student is asking that you are not coming from programming background, so you were nervous while speaking in the interview, or how you control your nervousness. This is what actually the student is trying to ask.
Actually, as I said, TCS is not my first interview. I have given few more interviews in the beginning itself, and we know whatever they ask from the admin or anything, right? We can get the answer if you give an interview today. If you go and search some sessions on anything, we will come to know in the bonus. We can get that knowledge from the bonus or anywhere. So in the next day itself, you will come to know all the answers of their questions. So in the next interview, you can give better. And in the third or fourth interview, definitely you will get the confidence.
There is one more question. What is the highest salary you got out of your all three offers?
Yeah, this is the highest package. 12. For joining as a fresher, is the highest package, I guess.
Next is any 2-3 interview questions. What you remember? Can you tell here? Any 2-3 interview questions?
Yeah, there are a lot of questions. They will ask about that relationship. We all know, right? That roll-up summary, and they will ask with the process builder and lightning flows. And yeah, for me, they asked about the deployment concepts, which knowledge you can gain from the bonus. About change sets and sandboxes, everything. Yeah. And they will ask about the basic of developer as well. If you attend interview for admin background, they will ask like what is Apex class. Can you explain that what are SQL and what is DML? So yeah. If you answer those developer questions, it will be added benefit for you. They may think that you have knowledge on both admin plus developer.
Okay, there is one more question. Did they ask you to write any code during the interview?
Yeah, definitely they will ask. If you go for developer, if you attend any interview in developer role, definitely they will ask you to share your screen and share the notepad and ask you to write some syntax. And don't worry about that. If you didn't get any answers, you just remember that question and send a mail to Shekhar sir. He will help you out in that. You first you search in your bonus and everything. You can get that knowledge, and if you not get, you can directly ask Shekhar sir. I am struggling this. I got this in interview questions. He will definitely help you out.
There is a question about like pursuing the career in non-technical domain and pursuing as a developer or as a instead of a developer, pursuing as an admin or consultant. So the student is more interested in admin and consultant track. So what is your suggestion? And after giving good observation of this market, after doing good observation, what do you feel about that? Going to developer is good, or even admin and consultant, they can proceed.
Actually, if you could try in admin, but I won't suggest in admin alone, because in developer there are a lot of scope outside. Even if you join as a fresher today, even after 1 year or 2 year, there are a lot of opportunities for you. When I attended the interview, I felt that. So if you want to be in admin role, you don't feel that I'm not getting job. Just wait for your time. You will get your job. Some after 15 1 month or sometimes it will take some time actually for getting the right job in admin. If you want to get a job in developer side, there are a lot of openings. I have seen that.
Okay, there is one more question that while salary negotiation, what kind of offers they have given initially and how you negotiated to get a very good package like 12 lakhs.
Usually, this is not the first offer I got. So I got some offer in hand and one more offer in pipeline. So if they, we can speak, we will be getting some confident, right? We have package more than this in hand, so we can ask for that. So like that, I negotiated. Actually, in Salesforce, you don't think that there is package. There won't be less package. They will. We can start from 7.7, 6.57 like that. So definitely, we'll get a good package. Yeah.
Did they ask any question on integration? This is one more question.
Integration. Actually, I attended in beginner level. They asked me in few interviews. But yeah, if you learn about integration, that's too good for you.
One more question, that is it possible that if I can ask them for work from home job opportunity?
As of now, I think most of the companies they are offering work from home opportunities, but I don't think whether it is permanent or not. There is a permanent work from home opportunities as well. Yeah.
Okay, we are having 5 more minutes. There is one more question. After course completion, how much time you have taken to get a job?
As I said, right, same like few questions I got. They are interested in Salesforce consultant or in some support admin role. So I am also the same kind of person. So it took me some time to get into the job. So if you want to get into the job so early, please go with this developer side, admin plus developer. So you can concentrate more on this developer LWC and everything. Yeah,
Okay, okay, got it. Means it is important to focus on development. One more question is there.
yeah,
You
sure.
said you're a slow learner. Even I'm having the same problem. Any tips you will give me, because it takes me good amount of time to learn anything in school or in college or in any IT skill.
Okay. Actually, the thing is, whatever exercises Shekhar sir in that session, online sessions, he will explain definitely with some hands-on only. He will create if he is teaching some process builder in front of us only, he will create everything, some automations and anything. So you watch that. Actually, I not even had a single doubt when I do hands-on after the session because everything is clearly explained in that. Uh, yeah, so
Okay.
it is not a big deal for me. Actually, for memorizing that, it will take some time. So we have to do some revisions work and everything. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Uh, as you said, you attended number of interviews. So do we have so many opportunities? I am worried what if I don't clear in 2 3 interviews.
There are a lot of opportunities. Don't worry about that. I used to get at least 3 calls a day after updating the resume. Yeah.
Okay. Have you done internship? There is one more question.
Yeah, I have done internship because I lost my job, right? So there is a career gap for me. So if anyone asks about that career gap, I can mention that I did a course and I am doing the internship. I not wasted my time. And also here in the internship, we will get some more hands-on real-time project scenarios. So we will get some more confident in that we can manage in the job. I think.
Okay. Next is any two topics of development that you would like to tell, which you got multiple times in the interview.
Developer side, okay, they will ask you to write some syntax about the objects which are in relationship. This is the frequently asked interview questions for me.
Last 2 minutes. Any security flow related questions they ask you?
Sorry, I didn't get.
Security and flow questions they ask you in the interview?
Sec- Actually, uh, security side means we can explain it everything. It's not a big deal. Actually, I love that security part because there is not, it's not a big deal, right? We go with the profile and we manage the timing and everything. And flows, yeah, definitely they will ask in automations, process builder and flow. Please concentrate on that.
Okay. Next is will it be difficult to get a job for mechanical person?
No, as I said, there are a lot of opportunities. If you learn all the interview questions, you give few interview questions in the beginning. What are the questions you are not able to answer, you'll mark it out and you'll concentrate on that questions. After few interview itself, you will come to know all the interviews so that you can crack the interview soon. When the right job comes for you, definitely will get placed. Yeah, as you worry, I didn't face that. I am not getting interview. What I'm going to do? I got a lot of interviews, so definitely it's not a chance
Mm.
of just that you won't get interview because you are from mechanical background like that.
Okay, there is one question. As you said, you joined the company as a fresher. So, did they contact you by your resume or any website like LinkedIn, or did they contact you on LinkedIn or by resume?
LinkedIn.
Next is last but one question we will take. And after my college education, I'm having a career gap, and I have done some non-IT courses. So any non-IT course will help me in cracking the interview, or I need to learn everything in Salesforce like admin developer properly.
Actually, I don't have I not faced these issues, right? So you just send this ask this to Sekar sir. Actually, I used to do that. I used to send the mail to Sekar sir. By the next day itself, Sekar sir will ask some right person to call you, and they will help you out. Definitely, they will help you out. So don't worry about that.
So anyone's having question about resume, career related issue, career gap or anything, please note. As Vignesh said, you can contact us. And let me take the last question, Vignesh. So there is a question about
Yes.
in terms of LWC, how uh, how many questions they're asking in terms of percentage about LWC in every interview. In terms of percentage, how many questions on LWC?
If you go for this developer role, definitely they will they will go for the LWC only. They will ask you, mostly they will ask LWC. Yeah. That's very much important for developers. So after completing all your online sessions, please go to the bonus session and get knowledge on LWC. And if possible, you do that internship here so that you will get some hands-on in that, which gives you more confident and you can crack the interview.
Okay, we'll take two last questions. We are having still 1 minute available or half minute available. There is a question that in terms of interviews, all the rounds happen on virtual mode or face-to-face mode.
In few companies, they will usually they will call you first through mobiles, and after that, if they get satisfied, they will arrange you that face-to-face round and manager round, and they will take to next round. For me, it is like on the very first round itself, it's a face-to-face technical round. After that, I went for manager round. Yeah.
And one last question is, being a mechanical guy, how you have how much difficulty you have faced in the internship of Intelogik?
Not a big deal because everything, if whatever answer you want, it is you no need to search in Google as well. Everything will be there in our session itself. From that itself, you can get the knowledge. Everything will be covered there. So not struggle that much, I think. And it won't take that much time also to cover that exercises and hands-on what are the things we are getting in that internship. Usually I used to spend nearly one weekend is enough for doing that exercise. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, guys, that's it with the time, and that's it with all the questions. By the way, I would like to tell you that being a mechanical person, if Vignesh is getting three offers, then definitely you guys also should be having great confidence to move ahead and get a good job in Salesforce. Thank you, Vignesh. It was really inspiring session. Plus, also being a mechanical person, how you proceeded ahead and learn the skills of admin developer internship and crack three offers. And also, you the biggest challenge is being a slow learner. Then also you actually managed to get the opportunity like this. So we appreciate that. And as a final statement, as a closing statement, can you give any one statement suggestion to any such mechanical person or such non-IT person in the session that why they should think about Salesforce as their career option?
Yeah, actually, the thing is, there are main thing is there are a lot of scope outside because I never thought about switching to IT before. I say, in the COVID, I lost my job actually. So when I was searching for some other jobs in the mechanical, there are no packages for me more than 4.5. So this is not our future, right? We have to be settled in some age. Like at least we have to get some 7.58 or 10. So I was searching for doing some courses outside to switch the domain where that scope is high. So as I said, my friend who learned from Intelogik, he suggested me this course and he gave the contact number. So I contacted and not I directly joined for I have joined that 1 week demo sessions. After that, only I joined.
So thank you, Vignesh, for taking time from your schedule, and thank you everyone for joining the session. So I hope you got the good inspiration from Vignesh, and also in the next Saturday we will be having another such inspiring speaker. And Vignesh, we wish great good luck or great time and good luck for your further future. So lots of success for you in future. Thank you for joining.
Yeah, thanks. Yes.